Can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In previous lecture, I covered this. I told you this about this stage. So, anyone, any question, any doubt in stage?
No, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead.
No, sir. I said no. No doubt.
Okay. Okay. So, next is Boson chair. So, first of all, what is a Boson chair? Boson chair is a strong wooden plank. Length of the Boson chair is 60 centimeter long. This is, you can see this plank in this picture. So 60 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, and 2 centimeter thickness, and one hole on each corner is drilled. That is a Boson chair, and through these all the 4 holes, that 2 in number bridle is there. One rope is received through this all the 4 holes in such a way that there will make 2 bridles. This is one bridle and this is second bridle. Okay, so length of this bridle is to be approx 1 meter. ये यहाँ से और प्लैंक तक इसका लेंथ अप्रोक्स 1 मीटर होना चाहिए. The size of this bridle, this is known as bridle. So size of bridle rope is to be 10 mm, 10 millimeter Manila. And this Boson chair is used for working aloft for maintenance of mast, such as chipping, painting of mast, or repairing. Any repairing may be required, like light, and oiling of derrick span wire. Derrick span wire, I think you know. Derrick पढ़ा दिया सर ने? Yes or no?
सर डेरिक का फंक्शन एंड ऑल कि मतलब डेरिक का मतलब पूरा इन डिटेल सर ऐसा पूछ रहे हो
सर ने पढ़ाया है डेरिक
नहीं
का?
नहीं सर मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ ऐसा स्पेसिफिकली पूछ रहे हो आप पढ़ाया है टॉपिक डेरिक या नॉर्मली?
Yes, yes, yes. About Derrick, sir told you, captain told you or not? Teach you or not?
No sir, no sir.
No, okay, okay. So पढ़ाएंगे, don't worry. So this is known as guys, Derrick guys, means supporting wire of a you can see somewhere as electrical pole. So somewhere as that electrical pole are given support with the other wire. देखा आपने कहीं कहीं सपोर्ट देते हैं तो साइड में उसके करीब 10-15 फीट.
Yes, sir. Preventers.
That is for derrick also, and this wire is known as stay of derrick. That is span wire. Name of the wire is span wire of derrick. So if that wire is required to maintain, that we are not going to open this wire, that will be continue on the place, and we have to maintain there only with the help of Boson chair like this. So how you can maintain a wire rope? Anyone can tell me?
Sir, with proper lubrication.
Proper lubrication. So how you will give proper lubrication? Just listen.
With
Your
the help of
voice
Boson
is
chair.
no. If normal wire is there, that may be the down below. So Boson chair not required to rig. Boson chair कब लगाते हैं? When that height is there. then when you are going to work on the aloft, when you are going to work aloft at height, that time Boson chair is required to rig. Otherwise, you have to, how you have to maintain that wire rope? First of all, whatever old grease or maybe the dust may be deposited on the wire rope, that you have to remove with the help of rubbing of wire brush on the wire rope, and then apply new grease or oil. Fish oil is the best for lubricating wire rope, and I told you in that chapter, rope chapter. So how to maintain or lubricate the Derrick span wire? Derrick span wire, you understand what is? That is a supporting wire rope. That is a supporting wire rope is known as Derrick span wire. So how you will maintain that? That for that you have to rig the Boson chair. On height, on top, you have to tie up 120 mm Manila rope. That is known as a Gantt line, and take through the block. First of all, you have to tie up a block on the height like this. Just see. Assume this is block. ये block ऐसे टाइप करके और through the block you have to take a 20 mm Manila rope like this. That is known as Gantt line. So one end of the Gantt line you have to secure on the bridle. This both bridle will have thimble eye here. ये एक ये bridle है और एक ये bridle है Boson chair का. So this both bridle will have thimble eye here. So make this both thimble eye together, and you have to put a double seat band here to connect this Gantt line with the Boson chair, and this line will go through the block. That block you have to tie up on the height somewhere else, on the fixed point of the ship. ऊपर कहीं block को connect करना पड़ेगा. Then this rope will be taken through the block, reeved through the block, and here you have to put a self-lowering hitch. That self-lowering hitch you will learn after coming in Rahman in practical. That with the help of the self-lowering hitch, one person can sit on this chair, this plank, and can hoist himself only, and can come down himself only. अकेला ही आदमी ऊपर नीचे आ जा सकता है with the help of this self-lowering hitch. Understanding? If this span wire is required to lubricate or maintain, then you can connect a bow shackle here. This is bow shackle, and these are the thimble you can see in the picture. So thimble of this bridle, both bridle. So this bolt is to be always keep downward towards the bridle, and this crown will be top of the wire. Why? Because when you will go up while working here, so you have to pull this rope, this Gantt line, and that Boson chair will go up like this. You will sit here, person will sit here. So when this Boson chair is moving on the wire rope, going up or coming down, so that time if you will keep this bolt on top of the wire rope, so that bolt can come out with their own. अपने आप खुलने का chance है इसका, if screw is there. Okay, so always whenever you are connecting this Boson chair, maintaining that wire like this, so that time you have to connect the shackle like this, so that keep the bolt on top of the towards Boson chair, downward. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So use of Boson chair. Boson chair is used for working aloft for maintenance of mast, such as chipping, painting on mast, cleaning of mast, repairing of lights and oiling of derrick span wire. Derrick span wire, I told you what is derrick span wire. So motion chair can be used, and a single person, that as I told you, the stage minimum 2% required, that is a teamwork. And if second person is also sitting on the stage, so that third person, one person should be on the deck to attend them. If there may be some tools may be required, some paint may be required, some if some air required, then the stage may be required to lower, then one person should be standby on the deck, and 1 or 2 person can sit on the stage, and they can do the work on ship side or superstructure, wherever. But in bosun chair, only one person will sit on the bosun chair, and he can haul himself. Hauling himself means अपने इसको अकेला आदमी दूसरे आदमी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, खुद से ऊपर जा सकता है और खुद से नीचे आ सकता है with the help of self lowering hitch. Okay, that is the use of bosun chair. It is small plank of wood about 60 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, and 2 centimeter thick. That you have to keep always in mind. That may be asked in exam. What is the size of bosun chair plank? 60 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, 2 centimeter thick. 60 into 20 into 2 centimeter. With a hole drill at each corner, as I told you, and 2 bridle of 10 mm diameter manila rope are rowed through these holes. At the top, 2 bridle are formed. Then connected to a 16 millimeter diameter manila rope, which is called gant line. Secure to thimble of bridle by a double sheet band. Just see this rope. This is one end. This is come through the block. That block should be connected somewhere on top. So this rope will be reeved through the block, and this one end of the gant line will be connected with the thimble here by means of double sheet band. And other end of the gant line means this line, rope. This gant line other end will be connected on the bridle by means of self-lowering hitch. That you will learn in practical after coming in Ragon. How to put the double sheet band and how to make self-lowering hitch. With the help of that self-lowering hitch, person will sit here and he will haul himself. इसको pull करता जाए, खींचता जाएगा, pull करता जाएगा, and this bosun chair will move upward side. While coming down also, that time also with the help of self-lowering hitch, feed that slack one end and give the slack to the gant line, and that bosun chair will come down. And
Sir,
yes, please go ahead.
So the person will pull this gant line, na?
Yes. Person will sit here on the bosun chair and will pull one end. Which end? Which end is form a self-lowering hitch. One end will be connected with the help of this thing, double sheet band, like this. Just see, this end is connected with the bosun chair by means of double sheet band. So ये end यहीं रहेगा, and this rope will reeve through the block at the height and will come down, and on this part of the gant line you have to make a self-lowering hitch. And whenever you are pulling upward side, so you have to pull this part of the rope, this part of the gant line, not this where the double sheet band is formed. जहां आपने ये self-lowering hitch बनाया है, this you have to pull 1 feet or 2 feet and feed it. Feed मतलब इसके अंदर से feed करना है, और ये lower part of the gant line will extend. ये नीचे की तरफ जाती रहेगी. and while you are coming down, that time you have to feed this part. जो ये नीचे दिख रहा है इसको आप फीड करेंगे तो ये यहाँ से सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा and this motion chair will come down. That you will do practical. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Only one guy is giving always reply yes or no sir, what is this? Otherwise all are sitting mum. I don't know they are attending or not. So anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Got it,
Sir,
sir.
please explain
No, sir.
bridle once again.
Bridle, okay. Just see here. This is a wooden plank. As I told you, 60 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, and 2 centimeter thickness of this plank. So one hole on each corner is drilled. चारों कोने में एक एक होल किया है. इस होल से एक रोप नीचे से ये क्रॉस रहेंगे दोनों. ये रोप ये जो ब्राइडल है this will come here and this bridle will this rope part of rope will come here just below that plank. Then that rope, that is single rope only, and it will be reeved through this all the 4 holes so that here this जब ये 2 rope ऐसे बन जाता है तो उसको ब्राइडल बोलते हैं सीमेंशिप. So this is one bridle and this is second bridle. So these 2 bridle will form and यहाँ पर इसको यहाँ से ये थिम्बल डाल देंगे दोनों इस ब्राइडल में यहाँ थिम्बल डाल के और उसको टाइप कर देंगे एंड एक थिम्बल यहाँ डाल देंगे. तो दैट विल बिकेम ब्राइडल. जो ये वी शेप बनेगा ना, तो एक वी शेप ये है एंड सेकंड वी शेप इज दिस. So that is known as bridle. These are 2 bridles. This is one bridle and this is second bridle. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So size of this bridle is to be 10 mm Manila, and that size of motion chair I told you plank 60 into 20 into 2 centimeter, and the size of gent line जो ये ऊपर से आप इसको पुल करेंगे, this is maintaining of a span wire, and this if vertical host जैसे मास्ट वगैरह पे काम करना है आपको, तो मास्ट के ऊपर जो भी कोई फिटिंग रहेगी, on that fitting we have to connect a block first. Connect a block first, and block means pulley, that is already covered. So then 120 mm rope, 20 millimeter Manila is to be reeved through this block like this, and one end of the gent line, this is known as gent line. So one end of the gent line will be tie up with the bridle. दोनों ब्राइडल को एक साथ करके उसके साथ डबल सीट बैंड से इसको टाई अप कर दे. एंड सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द दिस gent line, ये we will form a self lowering hitch that you will learn after coming Rahman in practical, how to make the double seat band and self lowering hitch. So with this self lowering hitch, person who sitting on the this plank on chair, so he can haul himself up. Haul himself means अपने आप ही इसको पुल करके ऊपर जाएगा, इसको पुल करता जाएगा 2 फीट अप्रोक्स पुल करेगा, इसको यहाँ से फीड कर देगा. तो ये जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है ये यहाँ से एक्सटेंड होता रहेगा and person can go up. Then while lowering coming down, so this part lower part will be feed. ये इसको अंदर इंसर्ट करता रहेगा, that is known as feeding, and that this will get slack and motion chair will come down. Understanding? This is self lowering hitch. Discover only hand power should be used for hauling up the main. Never lead the gent line to a winch. The hauling part should be secured properly to a cleat, a ring, bolt, and some other fixed and strong point. It means this one, this is known as Gantt line. So when this Gantt line is, if there is attender means second person is there. So if single person is there, as I told you that one end of the Gantt line will be secured with the help of double seat band on the bridle, and second part of the Gantt line, ये जो दूसरा लाइन आया है, ये ब्लॉक के अंदर से आया है, तो इसको हम यहाँ सेल्फ लोअरिंग हिच लगा देंगे, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेल्फ लोअरिंग हिच, द नेम इज सेल्फ लोअरिंग हिच, मींस सेल्फ, जो person who's sitting here or working on while sitting on chair, he can pull this Gantt line himself only, and he can give select to the Gantt line. ऊपर जाना है या नीचे आना है तो खुद ही करेगा, हो जाएगा. If attender is there, means second person is there, then the second person will pull this Gantt line, and person who's working, he will sit here. So that time this Gantt line is to be pulled manually, मतलब आदमी ही खींचना चाहिए. दिया ना hauling up the man, ये दिया है only hand power means manually, आदमी ही खींचना चाहिए. That rope should not taken on the winch or warping drum. If winch or warping drum is nearby, so some smart guy may thinking that अरे यार क्यों ताकत लगाना है, इतना तंग होना है, this rope may take on the warping drum and just on the power, switch on the power, तो अपने आप वो खींच लेगा. So never is to be used winch, because that is machinery. If when you are going to stop, if you may be slightly late to stop the machine, that then the person may in danger. ऊपर हो सकता है जगह नहीं है, और यहाँ पर कहीं उसका गर्दन आ जाएगा. और same thing while lowering also, if you are lowering slightly by manually, so there will be no chance for accident. Otherwise that may be slip off, or that may come down, fall down, not come down, that may fall down with the machinery. So whenever attender is there, attender, you understanding no what I am telling, दूसरा आदमी है हेल्प करने के लिए, तो इसको लाइन को वो मैनुअली खींचेगा. So that time that this line should not be taken on the winch, otherwise accident may take place. Understanding? Then hauling part should be secured properly on a cleat. After that, if the second person is there and he is pulling manually, so if it is required to pull 2 feet, then he will pull 2 feet only, and he will secure that line. Secure means tie up, bandhna. He will secure that line, this Gantt line, on the strong point. That may be a cleat, maybe staghorn, maybe the deck eye, maybe ring bolt. Ring bolt means deck eye, or maybe stanchion. Whatever fixed and strong point is nearby, that rope is to be tied up on that with the help of a round turn and 2 half hitch. That you will learn after coming. You will do the practical for all node band hitches. Understanding? किसी को कुछ पूछना है यहाँ तक?
Got it,
No,
sir.
sir.
Then self-lowering hitch, as I explained also. Then if an attendant is not available, if any attendant is not available, means second person is not available. If second person is available, then one person will sit on the bosun chair, and whose second person, that is known as attender. So that will pull this rope, and as I told you, will tie up on the fixed and strong point. When it may be required to pull 2 feet, then he will pull 2 feet, then again 1 feet, 2 feet, like this, and he will tie up that this part of Gantt line somewhere as on the fixed point of the ship. If attender is not available, then a seaman should be able to haul himself up and lower as required on his own, and using self-lowering hitch. So with the help of the self-lowering hitch, the person who is sitting on the chair, he can haul, means अपने आप ऊपर जा सकता है, pull करेगा, and he will himself with the help of the self-lowering hitch will come down. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now safety
Yes, sir.
precautions for motion chair. First of all, you may be going anywhere, maybe going for anchoring, maybe going for some rope work, for mooring operation, for painting, or anywhere for work. So you should be always in proper PP, personal protective equipments, safety helmet, safety goggle, face mask, boiler suit, knee pad if required, and safety shoe. In additional, like if you are going to work on the stage or motion chair, then you have to put the safety harness also. Safety harness additional you have to put. That safety line, according the requirement, you have to keep short or long. As I told you, that if you are going to work on ship side, then the safety line is to be keep long. Just the rope should just come above the water. पानी के ऊपर से आना चाहिए, इतना उसको छोड़ दो, लूज छोड़ दो, and then tie up on the fixed and strong point on the railing, or maybe on the fixed and strong point on the ship. If you are working on aloft, like on mast, or maybe on superstructure, down below that there is no water, that is hard surface, deck is there, then the safety line is to be short, छोटा होना चाहिए. कितना छोटा होना चाहिए? जितना आप वहां आराम से काम कर सकते हैं, उतना ही. ये नहीं कि 2 फीट 4 फीट 2 मीटर 4 मीटर छोड़ के फिर बांध दिया. नो, that line is to be short that much. If person fall down by mistake, he should be there only, should not fall down. नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए, उधर ही रुक जाए. And if you are working on the stage on ship side, then the line should be long. Safety line should be long, so that if person fall down, so he should fall in the water. क्योंकि पानी में गिरेगा तो चोट नहीं लगती. Understanding? Regarding PP, always
Yes.
should be in proper personal protective equipments for your safety. Normally, I have seen in academy also that boys are not putting helmet properly with the chin strap. Normally, सिर के ऊपर रख के ऐसे चल पड़ेंगे. I have seen in outside also, you have also seen that some boys keeping his helmet while riding two-wheeler, they are keeping helmet in his hand, not on head. So that is dangerous. So make a habit always, maybe on board or maybe here. So you should take, keep your safety always in mind, and PP, personal protective equipment. That helmet is for safety of your head. Okay. So all personal protective equipment should be on always while working. Then confirm necessary safety permit obtained. Means whenever you are working on aloft, working on or side, that time also you have to take this permit from duty officer. Why? This is not a piece of paper that he will duty officer will give a sign on that and give you that permit. Okay, what is the requirement? Requirement is he that who's giving you this permit, safety permit, that person will make sure about your safety. Like if you are going to work a lot, you should be in proper personal protective equipment, including safety line, safety harness, and we will make sure that all radar area is to be that switch off, that like a high frequency or maybe the medium frequency is to be switched off, keep on. Then if you are going to work near funnel, then the engine should not be started. He will make sure, that is the use of this permit. Understanding? So close inspection should be made of the chair and get in before chair is used. So close inspection means you have to inspect what you will inspect in the chair. That is a wooden plank. So you have to check that should be not rotten, सड़ा हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए, and that is to be in sound, in good condition. That oil or grease should not be there on the plank, otherwise you may slip off. Then gant line, that rope including bridle is to be checked. What you will check in the rope? How you will come to know that which rope is useless, not to be used? Anyone can tell me?
I seeing
Sir,
cuts on the rope.
unlaying होगी sir rope.
Sorry, क्या होगा? If rope
I
कटा
seeing
हुआ है,
cut or bend on the
Sir,
rope.
Sir, if
ठीक
the
है.
rope is damaged more than 10%, so we will
Yeah.
not use that.
No. The 10% wire broken within the 8 dia is for wire rope. For this vegetable fiber rope and synthetic fiber rope, you have to open the stand and see if the stand's powder coming out. Powder means that yarn is coming, just became powder somewhere else. हाथ लगाएगा तो यान टूट के जैसे पाउडर होता है ना, ऐसे छोटा छोटा टूट के बाहर आना शुरू हो जाएगा. So that means that rope life is not more. You have to change new one. That rope is useless, may break any time. If the rope is cut or chapped, क्या मतलब दब गया है रोप और आधा कट गया या 1/4 में कट, और एक सीधा कट होता है जैसे चॉपर से कट करते हैं. So if that rope is cut, maybe 1/4, half or like this, that rope is to be changed. That you have to inspect. Okay? Understanding? अगर सिंथेटिक रोप में वो यान टूट के गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं, आपके हाथ में भी आएंगे और आपके बॉयलर सूट में भी लगेंगे, तो उसको बोलते हैं that rope is useless. When powder start coming out, not I am not talking about talcum powder, but that like powder, small pieces coming out from the rope, means that rope is to be declared useless, condemned. Okay, so that you have to inspect. Then the gant line should be seen to be in good condition, and if any doubt exists, the old rope should be replaced with a new rope. Means if you have any doubt this rope is cut or that is old one that will not take weight and whatever, so that rope is to be changed, maybe the bridle or maybe a gant line. Don't take risk. Then bridle to the chair should be inspected. Bridle to the chair, that is 10 mm manila, which is reeved through the ocean chair plank hole and making two bridle, that is known as bridle. And particular attention paid to the internal lay and its condition. Internal lay means you have to just open the lay in between the rope, not from the end, and just see. You will find that if slightly powder start coming out, or that rope is, maybe fungus may take place, so that is very old, so that rope is to be changed, new one. More about this rope, how you will find out the condition, you will go through the practical. I'll show you practically which rope you and how you will declare a rope is to be not to be used. Okay, a safety line with safety harness must always be worn, and when operating from Bosun chair, this line should always be inspected before use and secured to the separate anchor point. Anchor point means fixed and strong point on board ship. So whatever, when you are putting that safety harness, that will have one line just behind, कमर के ऊपर एक line रहेगी. That line is known as safety line. So you have to, when you are going to put the safety harness, so you have to check that safety line condition also. That if that rope is very old and if you see that rope is cut or chapped somewhere else, then that should be changed. Otherwise, no use of that. Understanding? So you have to check that, and always the safety line which is coming from the safety harness always is to be secure on the fixed and strong point separate. अलग से कोई फिक्स पॉइंट रहेगा उसमें एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट उसमें टाई अप करना चाहिए. दैट इज नोन एज एंकर पॉइंट. ओके. देन ऑलवेज हैव the chair hoisted manually, as I told you, that never that gant line is to be taken on the winch or warping drum. That is to be hauled manually if a tender is there. If a tender is not there, then that with the help of self-lowering hitch, the person who is working or sitting on the Bosun chair himself will hold the chair. Always have the chair hoisted manually and never have away on the down hauling using winch drum end. Means बोसन चेयर को अगर आपको इन ऑन लैंग्वेज ऊपर खींचना है मैनुअली या उसको लोअर करना है, तो इफ अ टेंडर इज देयर दैट शुड बी मैनुअली. कभी भी वार्पिंग ड्रम से नहीं ऊपर खींचना है और नहीं लोअर करना है, मशीन नहीं यूज करना है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? देन एनी टूल point etc should be secured by lanyard. Any loose article should be removed to prevent falling when aloft. When you are working aloft or maybe somewhere else using Bosun chair or stage, so that time that tool always is to be keep in the pot bucket, small pot of the empty paint or paint का खाली डब्बा होगा या कोई बकेट होगा, उसमें टूल रखना चाहिए. एंड यू हैव टू टाई अप दैट पोर्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ हीविंग लाइन एंड यू कैन कनेक्ट विद द बोसन चेयर. बोसन के ब्राइडल के साथ ही यू विद द स्मॉल लेनियार्ड. जब लेनियार्ड मीन छोटा रोप स्मॉल, उसके साथ बांध के रख देंगे नीचे की. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? And if required, you can tie up lanyard on tools also. Like if you are doing chipping, so on handle of a this thing chipping hammer, you can tie up a lanyard, and that lanyard will be tied with the bridle of the Bosun, so that if sometimes maybe fall down, maybe grip maybe lose from the hand, so that should not lose. पानी वानी में नहीं जाएगा. Otherwise keep in the pot always whatever tools is required for work. Then when riding a stay, then make sure the bolt of the bow shackle pass through the bucket of the bridle, because as I shown you, if you are maintaining this guys wire rope like this, so that time this bolt is to be towards downward only, because when the person who is sitting here will hold the gant line to go up or coming down, so this shackle will ride on the top of the wire rope. If this bolt is on top of the wire rope, so that may come out with their own, अपने आप निकलने का चांस है ऊपर से जब ये राइड करेगा. So that shackle is to be used like this, so that bolt is to be connected with the motion chair is to be kept down towards motion chair. Understanding? Okay. Then, Abhishek, are you understanding?
Little bit, sir.
Little bit.
Yes, sir.
Why little bit? See, as I told you, whenever you are going to work on this thing, that is known as a Derrick span wire. नाम क्या है उसका वायर का? Derrick span wire. Derrick एक पोल के माफिक रहेगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट, और उसको सपोर्ट देता है, ऐसे सपोर्ट देता है, तो वायर रोप का ही पीस बंधा रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं Derrick span wire. तो जब उसको मेंटेन करना है तो हम तो वायर को खोल के, वायर रोप है जो, उसको ओपन करके फिर उसको मेंटेन नहीं करते हैं, वो कंटिन्यू उधर ही रहेगा, एंड सपोर्ट दिया हुआ है जो वो वही रहेगा, फिक्स है वो, एंड उसको मेंटेन करना है, तो दैट टाइम हम मोशन चेयर को कनेक्ट करेंगे. तो क्या होगा, ऊपर एक ब्लॉक कनेक्ट करेंगे, उस ब्लॉक में से एक 20 mm का रोप निकाल देंगे, एक एंड को यहाँ मोशन चेयर में डबल सीट बेल्ट से टाइप करेंगे और दूसरा एंड सेल्फ फ्लोरिंग हिंज लगा देंगे. तो ये लगाने के बाद देन मोशन चेयर का जो ब्राइडल मैंने बताया उसमें थिम्बल रहेगा, तो थिम्बल में एक सेक्कल कनेक्ट करेंगे वायर रोप के ऊपर, जो वायर रोप ऑलरेडी ऐसे सपोर्ट है, बंधी हुई है ये, ठीक है. तो जब इसको हम, यहाँ आदमी बैठेगा और इसको ये गेट लाइन को पुल करता जाएगा, तो क्या होगा, ये ऐसे आगे की तरफ जाएगा, ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा. दिस इज ऑन टॉपवर्ड साइड एंड दिस इज डाउनवर्ड साइड. तो जब ये ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा तो वो आदमी का वेट किधर रहेगा, इस वायर के ऊपर रहेगा, एंड दैट वायर इज कनेक्टेड विद द सेक्कल. ये तो इस सेक्कल के ऊपर आएगा ना वेट, तो जब सेक्कल वेट रहेगा और इसके वायर के ऊपर ऐसे राइड करेगा, मतलब वो ऐसे ऊपर जाएगा घिसता हुआ, तो इफ सेक्कल इज यूज लाइक दिस, दैट क्राउन इज एट टॉप, तो यहां से कुछ निकलने का चांस नहीं है. अगर हमने ये उल्टा लगाया, ये बोल्ट को यहाँ वायर रोप के ऊपर लगाया और ये पोर्शन नीचे कर दिया, तो क्या होगा, ये बोल्ट हमने डाला हुआ है, इसमें स्क्रू है, तो जब ये इसके ऊपर से ऐसे स्टेन रहेगा, नीचे वेट रहेगा और इसके ऊपर से राइड करेगा, तो उस टाइम पे क्या है कि ये बोल्ट निकलने का चांस है, खुल जाएगा ये अपने आप. नहीं समझे? जब इसको ऊपर खींचेंगे तो ये बोल्ट खुल जाएगा, जब नीचे आएंगे तो भी इसका चांस है कि खुल जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई दिस सेक्कल इज टू बी यूज्ड इन सच ए वे दैट बोल्ट यू हैव टू कीप डाउनवर्ड, so there is no chance to unscrew this bolt. If you keep the bolt upward side on wire rope, so that may come out, खुलने का चांस है ज्यादा, इसीलिए इसको ऐसा रखना चाहिए. नीचे मोशन चेयर का ब्राइडल is to be connected with the bolt of the section. Understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो if अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता है तो डोंट से लिटिल बिट, 100% आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. पूछिए आप, सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, बताइए, ठीक है, शर्माने की बात नहीं है. ओके.
यस सर.
So when riding a stay means that wire rope, make sure the bolt of the bow circle pass through the bracket of the bridle. Means bridle से, मोशन चेयर का जो ब्राइडल है उसमें से पास करना चाहिए. ऊपर जो राइडिंग स्टे है वायर रोप उसके ऊपर बोल्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका मतलब वही है. ओके. should work be required about the funnel, aerial radar scanner and the like, the appropriate authority should be informed engine room or bridge respectively. Means if you are going to work near to the radar antenna, where will be the radar antenna? On mast. Or if you are going to work on the funnel, that time you have to inform bridge as well as engine room also. Why the information is required to bridge and this engine room? Because they will take the necessary precautions, necessary measures. Like, for example, I am just giving example. Just see, if you are going to work near the radar scanner, रडार का जो एरियल रहेगा वो घूमता है ना भाई, जैसे 360 डिग्री. If you see in somewhere as on ship.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, if you'll inform bridge, I am going to bridge as well as engine room. I am going to work near the radar aerial on mast. I am going to work. So what they will do in bridge, the duty officer same time will keep one tally on the radar panel. Don't switch on man alarm. ऐसा लिखा रहता है, शिप में रहेगा, टेली रहेगा. तो वो उठा के वहां रडार के ऊपर डाल देगा जहां से रडार ऑन होता है, मेन पैनल पे. तो एंड सेम थिंग इंजन रूम विल आल्सो पुट वन टेली. डोंट स्विच ऑन पावर फॉर रडार मैन अलार्म. तो अगर कोई इफ सपोज you inform A or B officer on the bridge and he may change his duty watch or his watch is changed. Next officer B comes, A is gone. So if B want that see the some object nearby and switch on radar, give a two sweep. मतलब 2-3 बार उसको रडार को स्कैनर को घुमा के और उसको देखिए कि कोई नियर बाई कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई शिप तो नहीं है. He may give order like this. He may, if he like this. Then when as soon as the person will go near to the this radar panel in bridge to switch on the radar, that tally will be hang there. So he will see that man alarm, do not switch on radar. Okay. So he will tell to duty officer, sir, man alarm, we cannot switch on radar. Same thing, if supply is not available, for example, then for radar or that bridge will ask to engine room switch on supply for radar. Then person who will go to switch on the supply of the radar, he will see the tally, man alarm, do not switch on power for radar. Understanding? So that's why always whenever you are going to work near to the funnel or aerial or radar scanner, then you have to inform engine room as well as bridge also. Understanding? Now time is 22. Next lecture do you have? आज lecture है?
No, sir.
No, okay. So I will take
4:30 में, sir.
Okay, then I will take another 2-3 minutes. So the lowering hitch is normally when the chair is to be used for vertical lift. The man using chair should make his own lowering hitch, and the care should be taken that both part of the gantline are trapped. Trapped means एक साथ together to secure the chair before making the lowering hitch. So that whenever you are using motion chair, so one end of the gantline will be secure on the bridle with the help of double seat band, and other part of the gantline will be tie up the self lowering hitch on the bridle. So that when you are making that self lowering hitch, so you have to take that there should be no twist in the gant line. Twist understand ना? जैसे ये gant line है तो ये ऐसे ऐसे twist नहीं होना चाहिए दोनों. That should be separate. ये अलग होना चाहिए and ये अलग होना चाहिए. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whether making a vertical lift and when riding a stay, ensure the tail block or lizard. Lizard क्या होता है? Normally, what is lizard? A animal.
Chipkili,
But
sir.
Typically, sir.
chipkili, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
But this is not a chipkili. That meaning of this lizard is that is a piece of wire rope having thimble on both ends. That is also known as a lizard. For example, on mast, if there is no any such a point that where we can tie up the block. For Boston chair, you have to tie up the block now on fixed and strong point, as I told you. Then through the block, you have to take the gantt line. Yes or no? If such a point is not there on the mast, then you can take a round turn. उसको 2-3 बार वायर रोप का पीस है जो उसको मास्ट के ऊपर घुमा देंगे and pick up both hands together and you can tie a block there. That is known as lizard. नहीं समझ में आया lizard? Piece of wire rope having thimble on both ends. That is known as lizard. So whichever is being used is weight tested. So it is very important. Whatever block you are going to use for Boston chair to leave the gantt line, that is you have to check the safe working load of the block as well as where and you are connecting that block with the help of shackle, that shackle safe working load, and where you are connecting that fixed point, or if the lizard is used. Lizard means that is a piece of wire rope having thimble eye on both ends is to be together. So that safe working load is to be checked. Normally average of the person is 80 kg normally. So that safe working load is to be more than 100 kg. Everything you have to check. That should not be less than the weight of the person. Understanding? जो ब्लॉक आप जहां भी टाइप कर रहे हो, सेकल उसके लिए यूज कर रहे हो, या एक पीस ऑफ वायर रोप यूज कर रहे हो, कोई भी टू tie up the block on height, so that safe working load is to be more than the weight of the person, means minimum 100 kg minimum. Understanding? Because the average of the person is 80 kg. So always whenever you are using block, check the safe working load of block, lizard rope which is used, or shackle which is used to connect the block is to be safe working load is to be checked. Understanding? Check that it's properly secured and will take the required load. That you have to check. One more point, that in the vicinity of cargo work, stage and Boston chair not to be rigged. In the vicinity of cargo work, understanding, जहां क्रेन से कार्गो वर्क चल रहा है, लोडिंग एंड डिस्चार्जिंग ऑफ कार्गो वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, आपके ऊपर से नहीं जाना चाहिए क्रेन. नहीं समझे? If that is known as vigilance,
Yes, sir.
in the vicinity. So in the vicinity of cargo work, stage and Boston chair not to be rigged. Okay, now time is going to be 10:30. So now I am going to end the meeting. If there is any doubt, note it down and you can clear tomorrow. Whatever I told you today, Boston chair, what is a Boston chair? Size of its plank, size of gantt line, size of the bridle, and how if you are going to work on the derrick strain wire, then the shackle bolt is to be kept downward. Then how to put the self-lowering hitch and the double seat band, that you will learn after coming in Rahman. So, and safety precautions while using Boston chair. Okay, strength is 30. Why 30, Balram? It was 30 only.
Yes, sir, 30.
30, okay. So now I am going to end the meeting. Good day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have
Thank
a
you,
good day,
sir.
sir.